The exhaust pipes stick out aggressively, and even before you move, this Brabus Rocket Edition is already shouting one thing loud and clear: this is not a normal G-Class. Welcome back to DriveSphere, and today, we're stepping into a G-Wagon that doesn't just push boundaries, it obliterates them. This is the new Brabus Rocket Edition, and for the first time ever, it comes with a 4.5-liter engine, making it the most extreme G-Class Brabus has ever created. The moment you lay eyes on it, the presence hits you. That illuminated Brabus grille immediately demands attention. Glowing with authority, around it, the redesigned rocket widebody stretches wider, drops slower, and sharpens every angle, making this G-Class look like it's ready to leap off the road. The alpine gray exterior, paired with gloss carbon fiber and matte red accents, doesn't just scream premium, it screams danger. Under the hood, things get even crazier. Brabus didn't settle for the 4.0-liter V8, they went all out, giving this beast a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower. The engine bay itself feels like a display of power, a finished in red gloss carbon fiber and wearing the Brabus 900 badge like a warning. Close the bonnet, and the design flex continues. The power bulge hood, dressed in gloss carbon fiber with Brabus lettering, makes the rocket look perpetually ready to launch. The alpine gray paint dances with the light, while carbon fiber mirror caps and sharp body lines add that motorsport edge Brabus is known for. And then there are the wheels, a 24-inch forged Monoblock Platinum Edition rims, inspired by the Mercedes star, filling the arches perfectly. The widebody kit makes the SUV look planted, aggressive, and absolutely unstoppable. Head to the rear, and Brabus keeps the drama alive. The rocket exhaust pipes don't hide, they stick out proudly, with lighting that announces the performance lurking underneath. The massive rear spoiler isn't just for show, it has aerodynamic openings and is even illuminated. Exclusive to this edition, open the trunk, and Brabus luxury takes over. You're greeted with a premium luggage set, leather protection, and details everywhere that remind you this isn't just a supercar in SUV form, it's a lifestyle. Red accents hint that while it's luxurious, it's still a rocket, a fast, bold, and unapologetic. Step inside, and the cabin elevates things further. This isn't just comfort, it's performance comfort. Full leather wraps the interior in oyster shell patterns, ambient red lighting glows through turbine-style vents, and every surface feels handcrafted. The steering wheel has satellite controls to switch to Sport or Sport Plus, and the moment you do, the exhaust opens up fully, a turning calm into pure chaos. Look up, and the ceiling itself is a statement. Full contour stitching runs across the headliner, giving the cabin the feel of a private jet. Move to the rear seats, and nothing drops. Red chrome Burmester speakers, new Brabus gauges showing time and date, and premium Alcantara mixed with leather remind you this SUV is built to impress. The floor mats mix protection and luxury, and the rear tablet starts with AMG animation, a subtle nod to speed and performance. And just when you think it can't get any more dramatic, there's the Obsidian Black Rocket Edition. This one looks downright sinister, black on black. The widebody still dominates, rims still massive, exhaust pipes still roaring. Rear Brabus lettering lights up the moment you ignite it, setting the tone before a single wheel moves. From the front, the power bonnet dominates the view. Wide, low, and unstoppable, those massive wheels pushing outwards give it an unshakable stance. Inside, the black interior takes a more stealthy approach. White contrast stitching, subtle gray accents, and a moodier, high-end vibe. Brabus Rocket branding appears on handles. Carbon fiber panels carry the signature, and the ceiling is fully leather-wrapped for that exclusive feel. The details never stop. Darkened chrome, gloss carbon fiber pedals, and rear seats fully wrapped in leather remind you this is not just tuned, it's completely reimagined. This isn't a G-Class that wants to impress. This is a G-Class that dominates. 900 horsepower, extreme luxury, aggressive design, and unmistakable presence. This is Brabus doing what Brabus does best. So now I've got to ask, if you had the choice, would you go for the bold alpine gray, or the stealthy Obsidian black? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to hit subscribe because here at DriveSphere, We bring you the wildest, most extreme cars on the planet.